Okay, class, today you're going to be copying and pasting information from a doc into a designated area. So your activity is to place the following events in sequence from first to last as they occurred in the memoir. Copy and paste the events in the correct order from the left box to the right box. The first one has been done for you. So I'm going to do the first one for you. The first event from the memoir is right here. Elie and Moishe the Beetle. Late December. Elie Wiesel meets Moishe the Beetle. So what you do is you highlight the text, you go to copy, put your cursor in the box, go to edit, and paste. And that one has been done for you. Okay? Any questions, please contact me.